is the Polo Tires initiative to help young amateur footballers across the country to relive their dreams. You know, there were times when Kashyap and Ashik have got the right opportunity at the right time, and therefore they could go the professional way. At Polo Tires, performance is very important to us, and enabling performance is very important to us. And this initiative is another way of making sure we enable performance in the youth of today across the country, using football as a route. We also do other initiatives for the younger audiences. Like United, we play for grassroots programs where we take footballers to Old Trafford to give them training at Carrington. This one, the winners here today will go and play at Old Trafford with legends of Manchester United. Last year we had legends like Berbatov and Wes Brown playing. We had Indian legends like Renedy Singh, Robin Singh and JJ playing with us. This time, hopefully, in some time we will make an announcement of who the legends from India are. And the legends are not only going to be football legends, we're looking at expanding it across different sports as well. So 31st May, we will the winners will play at Old Trafford, and we look forward to your support for that as well. Thank you.
So Ashik, you have been a footballer yourself. What do you think of the initiative?
You know, this is a big opportunity for playing professional. So they get a huge opportunity to play with Manchester United players and staffs. It's a big opportunity.
अगर आपने अगर आप प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर नहीं होते और अगर ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आ गया होता, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
तो देखो, प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर्स के लिए ऑप्शंस होता है, जो नहीं खेल रहे हैं पर जिसको फुटबॉल बहुत पसंद है.
Amateur players, how is it a big opportunity for them?
वही जो नहीं खेल रहे फुटबॉल, जिसको फुटबॉल खेलने के लिए बहुत पसंद है, जो प्रोफेशनली नहीं खेल रहे, उन लोग के लिए एक बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड का अंदर ऐसा एक टूर्नामेंट खेल के यूनाइटेड जाने के मौका. तो वो बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे.
Kashyap, you have been a Manchester United fan.
Central. I think for every Manchester United fan it's a dream to be at Old Trafford. I am a huge Manchester United fan, and I have dreamt of being at Old Trafford so many times. I've been to Birmingham, London for the Volleyball Championships for the last 15 years, and always thought of taking a train and going to Manchester and seeing that. And I've never done it because for some reason we didn't have time. And so it's a great opportunity. I am so excited for the players who will get a chance to go to Old Trafford, and it's an awesome initiative. I'm so happy that I'm a Manchester United fan, that they have, the Polo Tires have enabled this opportunity for players who don't get a chance. Especially, I heard that it is for amateurs above 18 years. I'm sure each player who's playing in this tournament has dreamt of, being at Old Trafford, and such a great opportunity and a great event this is. And I'm so happy to be here, and thank you for inviting me.
Five number team. How to play?
Sorry?
Five numbers.
Five member squad. Okay, I'll answer that, and maybe Ashik can come in. So as I said, this is more about amateur football. It is not professional football. Today, the biggest entertainment that young football enthusiasts have is to play on the turfs. So every evening, if you go to turfs across India, like this turf, in every other city in India, amateurs from the age group of 18 to 50 are playing football, five-a-side football. It is an easier way to play football for amateurs, older generations, players who are not professional enough, so little older in the age group, 26, 28, 30, 35. And it is the way forward, to play. One thing that we have to remember, and I know Kashyap is doing it superbly with badminton, is if sports has to develop in India, it is not only grassroots and academies, it is social sports. We have to encourage people to play for the fun of playing first. Then you can become champions. If you're not playing for the fun of playing, how will you ever enter an academy to start becoming serious about it? And this five-a-side tournament is one way. Today, as a parent, I am playing five-a-side, means I am already into sport, I'm playing sport, I will encourage my children also to play sport, right? It's not something that is seen as extracurricular. So social sport is important, and therefore five-a-side football is a big way forward in social sport.
How many teams participated?
Totally, we had seven tournaments across the country. Each tournament had 16. 17 into 6, 7 into 16, I think is 90. 96, I think. So I think 96 odd teams. 102, sorry. 102 teams. Sorry, my maths. I'm sports now, so maths is not good. But yeah, so around 102 teams. But a lot of this is the second year that we've done it. Last year we had similar numbers, but this year we chose a few cities which were, we thought, important football markets, important markets for us as well as an organization. And we saw teams from Goa traveling to Kochi to play. We saw teams from Northeast traveling to Calcutta to play. We saw teams from UP traveling to Haryana to play. So we are seeing people loving the game so much, and we're talking about amateur players, right? Imagine just to keep a restriction on entries, to see that, okay, people don't enter and don't come. We put a small registration fee. People paid that fee. So football, amateur players across the country are willing to pay an entry fee and travel across states to different cities to play a tournament, to live their dreams of going to play in Old Trafford. So I think we are in a good place as a country. I think the future, Sachin Tendulkar is our ambassador. He keeps saying we have to move India from being a sports watching nation to a sports playing nation. And sports playing nation comes only from initiatives like this. You see the number of people playing badminton across the country now. Earlier we all played badminton in the complex down open air. Today there are so many badminton complexes coming up. So it's all in that direction. I think it's a good opportunity for everyone.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.